start about here,
Yeah.
halfway down. Nice big circle, flat, like as in a pancake. Then we come down and down and round. We're doing a nice shadow here. Look, here's my shadow and flowers. So here's our massive green. Give yourself space, and then we're adding in the flowers. Massive green is just lines down like so. Good. And you're pretending these lines are coming down in. So it's basically when you're doing anything with a vase, you just imagining the flower going right to the bottom. And here I can see there's a lovely shadow. So we're coming out from the bottom right of the vase, out along, and then a big shadow coming from the top of the vase out, just a little bit. It's just going to start to give perspective so it's not sitting doing nothing. And then that'll come up here as well. So it's like it's come through the vase, so it's up to the top too. Brush. We're actually going to make green first, okay? Blue and yellow. Lots of water on your brush. Like 3 shades of green here. Take some more yellow and we're going to add it into one side of it. So we've got a second green, nice lighter green. That lighter green, you're going to plant it straight on. So it's going to go on this green mass. Remember we saw this big green mass? Good, there's the start of our green mass with that lighter green. Just plant it on. It's a big mass of green. Good, line outside, that's it. Yep, just keep it on the top of the vase, comes up, up, up. More yellow into that light green, so we're making a really lime green. If you're brushing the water, and we're going to go where you see dark underneath, you're going to basically choose, this is where your leaves are going to be. So turning the brush on its side, and the top of the leaves will be light. So where there's a dark line, you're going to put a nice light bit on the top of it. Doesn't matter. Do not make it uniform. You just want to make so there's little green bits that are clustered together. And there's some wee leaves coming out the side that go right up to the top. So you can bring it into the top as well, because these leaves go quite long actually, some of them. We're thinking, just want to be a big mass of green. See, there's a lot of green all together in mine. You want to be a big mass of green. Good, now going back to your dark one, take a little bit of red and put it into that dark green. Turn into like a browny colour. Nice browny colour. Look at the tulips again here with me. Even through the screen. Underneath here. On the right hand side, there it starts to add in real depth. And then along the rim of your brush on the side, so you get some big strokes, right? Let's make this really, really like thick. Doesn't matter if you're going over what's already there. But it's a browny green. Leaves, look, bring them out a wee bit. Curve them. Take them off. Look, they're not static. They don't all go up and down the stalks. Feel energy in there too. And along the top of the vase, see the vase? That's first.
Like this?
First, yes. Lovely. Okay. Clean your brush. I'm going to clean your brush, or get your other brush. Take your other brush. And we're going to make, it's blue with a tiny bit of yellow in it, but it's mostly blue, and then with a big chunk of white. And you're going to make like a turquoisey minty colour, which is the colour of the vase. Woo! You ready? Ready? Where are you? Oh, look at it. Good. Take more water on your brush. More water on your brush. And look, what I did was I just let the drips come down. And I've just taken more light up here. So just more water, water, water. Clean your brush a little bit. It holds a lot of the paint, that one. Changed a wee bit here. It doesn't matter. I want the back to be really opaque, transparent. Drip the water. That's better. Drip the water. Brush into the water. Right in. So I brought it. So we brought it in, because we're going to basically just finish now with the flowers. So you see on the left hand side, bring the colour in, water on your brush, and dip the water up there on the right. There's no gaps. That's it. And then just go along the bottom. Like pink. You can add a wee bit of yellow into it if you want to change the colour of it ever so slightly, so it's more in the peachy tones. So that is again a nice light purple. But it doesn't matter, you can have it light or dark, red and blue and a bit of white. It looks gorgeous already. Now, pink, and you need pink and you need white. Sorry, you need red and you need white. So one pink, here's mine. Just using the same big brushes. I just took a clean brush, or I thought I had a clean brush, but a clean brush just for here. So if you want there be drips that'll come in. I love the drips, as you know, but if you find they're too much, you can just buffer them out while they're still wet. Are you ready? Load up the brush. I'm gonna just plant them in, look. Spinning the brush around. So loading the brush up and then spinning it around. If you look at it, turning it around, so you've got this lovely tulipy flavour to it. Good. Bigger than that, bigger than that. Bigger, bigger, bigger. You want to make the flowers, you want them to stand right out. Good. Then take some pink. It doesn't matter if your purple blends into it. And you're going to do the same with your pink. And you can just dot them in. You can dot them round. Put up a big bit of white and I'm adding it to my pink, so it's slightly lighter, and I'm going to make actually the bottom of them a bit lighter. So I'm adding a lighter colour to the bottom of the tulips. Normally they're lighter or darker. Love it already, I love it. I'm so happy. Good, keep going. A lighter colour for the bottom of each of those. Good, and don't overthink it. Just curl the brush into it again, dab it right in, turn it round. Brilliant. And then I'm going to make a darker purple for the other side of it, but I'm actually going to bring in a bit of black. So red, blue, and a tiny bit of black. So I get a really deep purple. It's going to be, you know the way they all have these wee separate, like wee petals where their petals are? See down the middle?
Yeah.
Just like that. So you're just mimicking. You can turn the brush. That's the beauty of the big brush, is you can like rotate it around. Good, and that is it. We're not letting ourselves do anything more. As I was saying about if you don't want the drips. Let me see how you get on.
What would you do?
Where's the dark purple? The dark is here, look. The little bit's in the middle. Little bit. Add anything in anywhere else, do so. Like you can add in purple anywhere. You can add anything more you want to, but charcoal back in that we started with if you want to do any definition. But we are going to call it, what day of the week is this? Wednesday.
Wednesday.
I'm going to call these Wednesday tulips. And I'm going to, Carol, I absolutely love it.